Sanibonani bakithi, sanibonani bazalwane. Ngalesi sikhathi lesi sekungu-12 midnight siseplotini ezisikhuluma eWitbank besinenzela i-connection abantu abasha njengoba sine-rally ku-The Church of Jesus Christ. Setup siyiqedile kimi noThatho, ngingiCharles Mabona mina. So ke ithi sinikhombise ukuthi sinisetele njani now ukuthi ke ozali bazalwane, come oza nami uzasokubona. This is the powerful machine that we are going to use kule service, i-mixer Yamaha TF5. As you can see, senzile the settings, the programming, we've tested the sound. This is our sound processing unit la. Bazalwane, we are ready for you. We are ready for you. Sesi calibratile ne sound yethu kahle. Look at this machine. We are ready for you bazalwane. We are ready. Sesetile i-mic nasi for abo MC ne interpreter yakhe, vocalist sesitestile mic yenu i-ready. Keyboard players, we've tested keyboard yenu sitestile go-right. This is TF5 Yamaha digital machine. This is how now we see the view as we are sitting go sound desk yetu. That is our stage. As you can see naka ama speaker. This is how we view indawo la sikhona. Come on izani bazalwane. All right, these are our amplifiers. La phambili we've got 3 ama amplifier for ama top, ama bass bin, ne backline yethu i-stage bama keyboard nalaba abaculayo. Then la ngaphezulu ama cordless mic wethu, we are using only cordless microphones. Bazalwane, we are ready for you. Come, we are ready for you. Of course, moving on. As you can see ku stage, we've got ama stage monitors. La ukuthi when the people abaku stage nabacula noma bakhuluma bakhone ukuthola the perfect feedback, and this is the view from the stage. Nasiya neveni that is in the church namhlanje as we are connecting. Let's also check ukuthi ke i-setup yama bass bin wethu injani. Let's come with me. This is our bass bin. With the line array there, setup that is on the right hand side of the stage, and also on the left hand side of the stage we've got this line array and the bass bin there. We are using 5 bass bins all in all. Let's go and check ama backline way to noma ama PVS ama backing vocalist way to sibone ukuthi kwenzakani kiwo. Come with me bazalwane, come on. As you can see, izitulo zama backing vocalist lezi basazoqedelela ekseni bese bafaka lokho abakufakako kwakhona. And the backing vocalist, they are having these 2 monitor speakers abazobe bathola a perfect sound kizo. Let's also check the keyboard. Yes, now this is the monitor speaker for the keyboard players. They will be getting the keyboard. Look, the cables neatly mounted passes hleli kahle, very neat. I fikani bazalwane, fikani. I'm not alone. By the way, I'm with my son. This is Thato Mabona. Set up at the light. We are with him. Ready bazalwane. We are ready for you. We are ready. Fikani. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now this is the view. Bazalwane, look, the place is ready for you. The place is ready for you. In Jesus' name, we are waiting for you. Okay, all right. We are done. Sesizokulala manje bazalwane, simeleni na ekseni. Asikhambeni sonke. Asikhambeni ke ukuthi sikhambe sokulala sinendodana yami uThatho. Then ekseni in few hours time siyavuka. So check out ukuthi setup yethu isese right njengayizolo noma njenganamuhla ngendlela esisete ngayo. It's past 12 already. We're just going to sleep for isikhathanyana esincane bese sihlanganane ekseni bazana 11 o'clock ikonzo yathoma. The keyboard players, remember to arrive on time as usual ukuthi ke at least uma inkonzo ithoma mde kube sesicheckile nani sound check nalaba the second kungiyo yoqala ezohlabelela. I think we have seen according to the programs you must arrive on time, senze sound check. Thank you very much. Thank you, bye.